They have large gular pouch attached to their lower bill. They use it like a net to scoop fish out of the water. The pouch can hold up to 3 gallons, 11 plus liters of water, in which they drain before swallowing the fish. Some pelicans have wingspans of up to 3.6 meters, 12 feet, making them among the largest flying birds. Species like the brown pelican and the American white pelican often work together. Groups form a semicircle in the water to herd fish in shallow areas before scooping them up. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a pelican. Start by drawing a circle here as a guide for the body. Make sure you draw gently or it will be hard to erase after this video. Or if you don't know how to draw a circle, you could use anything that has a circular edge, or you can do the 4 marks method, if that's okay. Then draw a curve here for the other part of the body. Then draw a circle here. Then, afterwards, draw a huge diagonal line for the huge beak. The longer the line will be, the bigger the beak will be. Then, afterwards, draw a curve here. Then afterwards, draw a curve here for the bottom part of the body. Then draw a vertical line and a horizontal line to make the leg. Then afterwards, this part here. Then start to go down. Then draw a curve. Then draw another curve to make this huge thing that catches fish with its beak. Then add this part here. Then draw a curve. Then add a curve. Then afterwards, add this part here. Then add the shine here for highlight detail. And add this part. Then add the dark part here for the outlines. Then afterwards, add some shades here. And start to shade here. And that's it for the pelican. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my animal videos. And if you want to listen or read more about pelicans, you can look at more at the description below. And I'll see you later in the next one.